you guys do the
Yeah, yeah, wait.
Okay. I once had a girl, or should I say, she once had me. She showed me her room, isn't it good? Norwegian. She asked me to stay and she told me to sit anywhere. So I looked around and I noticed there wasn't a chair. I sat on the rug, biding my time, drinking her wine. She talked until 2.